We all know that henna has been used as a natural hair dye for years. But did you know that there are a ton of other ways to dye your hair without the chemicals or the damage? Whether you just want to cover up a few grays or you want to go crazy with color, here are a few all-natural temporary options for you. Before you get started, remember that the result of these dyes depends strongly on your base hair color. So if you want to see what it looks like on you, make sure to do a patch test first. If your hair is already bleached or lightened and you're feeling adventurous, give this colorful method a try. Take half a cup of a thick conditioner and mix in a few drops of a food coloring of your choice. You can experiment to make the color as bright or as pastel as you want. The food coloring is perfectly safe for your hair as it's edible and chemical free. And the conditioner will help transfer the color while nourishing your hair. Apply it as a mask to the areas that you wish to color and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it out. This technique will add a unique purplish red tint to darker hair and a vibrant magenta tint to lighter hair. Just mix half a cup of beetroot juice with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Beetroots are known for their strong dye and color, and the coconut oil will help gently apply it to your hair. Apply this mixture to your hair with a brush and then leave it on for 45 minutes to an hour and wash it out with shampoo and conditioner. Get rid of your grays in the most natural way with this amazing smelling energizing dye. Take a quarter cup of brewed espresso and mix it into half a cup of conditioner and then add in 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds. Coffee provides the dark dye needed to cover up your grays while the conditioner helps it penetrate into your hair. Apply it as a mask for at least an hour and then rinse it off. If you love the smell of cinnamon and want subtly lightened reddish-brown hair, then this recipe is for you. Mix half a cup of cinnamon together with half a cup of conditioner. The cinnamon will naturally lighten your hair by at least 1 tone and leave it with a brownish red tint. Apply this mixture as a mask and leave it on for 45 minutes to an hour and then rinse it out. Cinnamon can irritate your skin, so make sure to do a patch test first. Do you dream of beautiful highlights but are afraid of the bleach damaging your hair? Try this natural alternative instead. Start with a quarter cup of water and pour in half a cup of lemon juice. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. The lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent that gets more activated by the sun, and the coconut oil will prevent your hair from drying out. Spray it onto the areas that you want to highlight as a leave-in spray for natural beachy highlights. You can even use this spray daily to see results. If your hair is already bleached and you want brighter, less brassy looking locks, then give this tip a try. Add half a cup of chamomile flowers into boiling water and allow it to steep for half an hour. Chamomile is a natural lightener and will get rid of any excess yellowness. Just saturate your hair with the liquid and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before washing it out. We hope these hair dye techniques help you achieve your dream hair color. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.